Hello everyone, welcome back to Coding Tips by Sweta. Today we are going to see a beautiful trick in Excel. It is how to rotate the data from rows to columns and columns to rows. So what it is? The first step is select the table. Select the whole table, whichever the table you want or whichever the data you want. That is Control A, and then Control C. Second step is Control C, copy, and then third step is wherever you want to rotate the data, the space. So here I'm selecting. So from here I want to rotate the data till here. So I will select here. So then what it is? What is shortcut key is Alt H V and then T. Alt H V T. So this is the shortcut key which we will use for rotating the data. So see here, the data was rotated here. So this is how you will be transforming the data from rows to columns and columns to rows. So that's all for this video. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe and comment me for more videos. Thank you.